Is a union between two whole individuals possible, like 1 plus 1, without completing each other to form a single unit? Or is a whole person doomed to loneliness? No, absolutely not, because 1 plus 1 doesn't become 2, but transforms into a different kind of one, just on a higher level, where unity into a whole happens according to slightly different principles. In this case, people aren't dependent on each other, but exist in mutual interaction, within a shared space built on other foundations. It's not about completing one another to make a whole, but about giving rise to something third, something immaterial, of course. In other words, something appears around them that could never have emerged if people were simply completing one another by merging their individual consciousnesses. It's the right of free people to live together or to live apart. And personally, I see no problem with that. Loneliness would only arise if each of these individuals believed that their own wholeness, or a higher level of development and effectiveness, could only be maintained by being alone. But if they don't think that way, then no, not at all.